Hi guys, and welcome back to a brand new video with Reece Jets. Today we have a Go Airlines Boeing 737-300 model aircraft. As you can see, there is a lovely photo on the box of the Go Airlines Boeing 737-300. It says Boeing 737-300 GIGOK, and it says Go as you are, and on this side it says Get Set Go, and on the other side it is exactly the same, as you can see. So let's get dived in and see what this model has to offer. So this is the model aircraft. As you can see, it is a really nice model. I always feel impressed by Flight Miniatures. They're a really good brand. I highly recommend them. I think they're really good with detailing model aircraft. As you can see, it is just absolutely stunning. It has got lovely detailing all down the sides. It says Go as you are, and it has got lovely door detailing, and it's got the registration GIGOK, and it's got detailing on the doors as well, and it says Go and Go there as well. And the tail is absolutely stunning. It has got lovely detailing on the tail, as you can see, and it has got lovely engine detailing, really nice engine detailing. And at the front as well, it has got lovely detailing, as you can see. It is just an absolutely stunning model. It says on this side Get Set Go, and it is just an absolute stunning model. I really like this one. I'm really impressed with it. I think it's really nice. I love the blue as well. It's a lovely blue colour. On the stand it says gofly.com, and it's got the registration there as well, and on the back as well. It is a really nice, highly detailed model, as you can see. So this is the model. I hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for more videos to come in future. Bye everyone.